Hello, welcome to another Gong Stoop.
Wow.
Got salt.
No, I didn't, idiot.
Okay, that's not tricky.
Oh, there's no way you got
For the fuck?
Oh my.
The mayo
Ugh.
chip.
That's so much mayo. That's gross. Nah.
It's like mayo.
Really? Ew. That's so much mayo.
Did I say stop? I like mayo.
Ew. That's gross.
Don't you dare fuck with my grill.
Yeah, you never
This is
tested
hot.
What did I do?
I don't know. I feel like you'd squirt ketchup on the grill and start laughing.
Okay. Why are you doing it like that?
I saw a video. Why you're brushing?
Wow. Look at me, guys. Hello, chef.
Jerry eating the onion the Aki way. Oh God.
Oh, no, it's chunky. Oh my god.
Let me get a burger the Aki way.
Sure. First, we put the burger on the grill. I don't know if it's the right temperature. It's burger.
Wow, our burgers.
Wait. Yeah. Lettuce
That's
on
a
top,
fat
baby.
stack. It's like the perfect stack.
Okay.
Oh my god. What do you think of our burgers?
McBurger, McDonald's.
McPlant.
Okay.
Bruh.
That's foul.
That has to be one too.
Actually, I don't want it. Take that away from me. I'm gonna try this monstrosity.
Patties for that. Because we're all gonna make a second burger after this.
Oh, okay.
So we'll make
Whoa.
some.
Better than.
Are there tomatoes in there?
Hi.
What do you put on your burger?
I put on grilled onions. I put on lettuce, zucchini, tomatoes, pickles. Everything possible.
The biggest lie I've ever.
He's an idiot.
Here we go.
Here's the
That's a-
burger review.
Why is the onion thicker than the patty?
Oh my goodness, this shit is huge.
Yeah, because the onions and the tomatoes are huge too.
How's it come out?
It's good.
Mmm.
One of the best burgers I've ever had in my life.
Half of mine came out.
Easily top 5.
Easily.
Better than.
Where are the toppings? Man, you didn't give me the toppings. I asked for them.
Do it.
Don't do it.
For the for the video.
Stop, Jerry, stop. I swear to God.
Yeah.
Joey, can I see your nipples?
Can I see your nipples? Nipples.
Two bros in a hot tub, like 20 feet apart, because.
All right.
Jump in. That's disgusting.
Thunderclap. I like it big. I like it chunky. Let's go nuts.
Hey. Ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.